welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'll be showing you how to install Python on your computer. So really quick before the video starts, over 90% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you're part of that 90%, please consider subscribing. It's completely free, and when you do subscribe, make sure you click on the little bell icon next to the subscribe button. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your web browser of choice, and you're going to go to python.org. And here you're going to go to downloads, and you can choose what version. So you can download Python 3.8 or you can download other ones right here. Like I used to use Python 2.7, so you can download that here, or you can choose any version you want. I'm just going to do the latest version just for the sake of showing you how to do it. So click download, and you can see the exe is downloading. Now you can click on it when it's done. And it's asking if I want to install the launcher for all users, and if I want to add Python 3.8 to PAT. Now I'm going to install now. Now it's asking if I want to allow the app to make changes to my device. I'm going to say yes. And you can see it's installing here. And here we go. The setup was successful. You can just click close, and Python should be installed in your computer. So yeah, if you want to learn how to run the Python files that you may have written, I'll leave a link to that video in a few seconds on the screen. But yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.